All right, let's see here. Fire up Sublime Text. And let's see here. Looks like I got a couple versions of it running here. That's okay. All right, so we just got a new instance of it up and running. You'll see in the link below, or in the description below, we have a link to a package control page. Click on that, and you should see a page like this. And I'm using Sublime Text 3, so on here, just copy whatever you see in there and run back to Sublime Text. So in Sublime Text, they have a built-in console that we need to access. We're basically just going to paste that code into the console. And to access that, you have to type in control tilde, or backtick, excuse me. And it's on the upper left-hand corner of the page on the same key with the tilde. Not to be confused with a comma or a apostrophe. When you do hit control backtick, you will see this console open and close, and it should see something like this. Paste whatever you see in there into the console and hit enter. You're going to see some stuff going on here. It's importing some libraries. It should say importing package control, and it takes just a moment to make sure it installs all the packages on here. We are installing the package control in order to take advantage of the huge Sublime Text plugin library. DevLeague takes advantage of many of these, and the most important that we use is the linter to be able to tell when your code is not formatted correctly, which is especially helpful when you're learning how to code. When you're done, you should be able to just open up the Sublime console here. So hit Command-Shift-P, and this should open up a section that looks like this. And there's something called fuzzy search with Sublime Text. So if you just type in PC, stands for package control, and then install, you should see something that looks like package control install package. Hit enter, and you're going to see something loading up here in the lower left-hand corner, which means you're on the right track. After a moment, all the packages load up. You should be able to, you'll see a similar pane here. And congratulations, you've just installed package control. Check out all of the awesome packages and some of our future videos for recommendations and how-tos to install several of our favorite packages. Thanks, bye.